Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on dimming the power indicator light on PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you think your PS5 power indicator light is too bright, here is how to turn it down or dim it. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open System. In System Settings, select Beep and Light from the left menu. Under the Power Indicator heading, select Brightness. You can change it to medium brightness or select Dim. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.